In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a summary of responses from Google Forms quickly and easily. If you've been collecting data using Google Forms and now need to print out a summary of all those responses, you're in the right place. Let's walk through the process step by step to ensure you can do this without any hitches. First, let's start by heading over to Google Drive. You can easily find your Google Drive by searching for it directly in your browser or by entering its URL. Google Drive is where all your documents, including your forms, are stored if you've been using Google's suite of applications. Once you've accessed Google Drive, look for the grid icon, often referred to as the Google Apps icon, usually located in the top right corner of your screen. This is where all your Google applications are organized for easy access. Next, go ahead and click on the Apps icon. When you do this, a drop-down menu will appear showcasing all of Google's applications. Scroll through these options until you find the Google Forms icon. Clicking on the Forms icon will take you directly to all the forms you've created or have access to. It's a straightforward way to centralize your form usage and access specific forms you might be working with. Once you're in Google Forms, you'll see a list of all the forms that you've created. Click on the specific form for which you want to print the responses. This will open the form, and at the top you'll notice several tabs including questions, responses, and more. To proceed, you'll need to focus on the Responses tab, as this is where the collected data and the summary will be available. After clicking on the Responses tab, you'll see different ways to view the collected data: summary, question, and individual. For printing, focus on the summary, which provides an overview that's usually most useful for sharing insights or data in a print-friendly manner. To find the print option, look for the vertical three dots icon, often called a More Options menu, typically in the top right section of the Responses tab. Clicking this will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu you will see an option labelled Print All Responses. Select this option and your browser's print dialog will open, allowing you to choose your printer or save the summary as a PDF if you prefer. Adjust any print settings as needed to ensure the document appears as you'd like. And there you have it. You successfully accessed your Google form, navigated to the summary of responses, and printed them out. This method is both straightforward and efficient, ensuring that you can share your data summaries with colleagues or stakeholders in no time. Thanks for joining today, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful.